Big news from MSC Cruises. In today's video, we're diving into two exciting updates you don't want to miss. First up, MSC has just ordered two brand new world-class ships, set for delivery in 2029 and 2030, a major step forward. Then, we'll take a look at the major renovation of MSC Magnifica, including the addition of the exclusive Yacht Club. Yes, in 2026, the Magnifica is getting a serious upgrade. If you love cruising or you're planning your next vacation, stick around. This is going to be quick, packed with news, and straight to the point. So, let's start with the biggest headline. MSC has officially placed an order worth around 3.5 billion euros for not one, but two new LNG-powered world-class ships, bringing the total in this series to 6 vessels. These enormous ships, currently referred to as World-Class 5 and 6, will carry around 5,400 guests, up to 6,770 at maximum capacity, and are scheduled for delivery in 2029 and 2030. The two new orders will join MSC's fast-growing fleet alongside their 4 sister ships, MSC World Europa and MSC World America, the first 2 world-class ships, plus the upcoming MSC World Asia, launching in 2026, and MSC World Atlantic, launching in 2027. These additions will bring the MSC Cruises fleet to 27 ships in total, underscoring the line's remarkable growth. Where will all these new ships sail? MSC is splitting its world-class fleet between Europe and the Caribbean. MSC World Europa is already operating in the Mediterranean and will be joined in late 2026 by MSC World Asia, which will also sail similar Mediterranean itineraries. On the other side of the Atlantic, MSC World America has already made her debut and is now sailing 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean cruises from Miami. She'll be followed by MSC World Atlantic, scheduled to begin Caribbean sailings in Miami in 2027. In other big news, MSC Magnifica, the Musica-class ship from 2010, is getting a major makeover to elevate the onboard experience. MSC Cruises has announced that Magnifica will enter dry dock in late 2025 for the line's largest refurbishment in a decade. The highlight of this refit? The addition of the MSC Yacht Club, MSC's signature ship-within-a-ship luxury suite enclave, which, until now, was not available on this ship. They're adding 63 new Yacht Club suites spanning 5 upper decks, along with the full set of dedicated Yacht Club facilities, an exclusive restaurant and lounge, a private sun deck with pool, a reserved concierge reception, and 24-hour butler service. Capacity will shrink slightly, as 80 standard cabins will be converted into Yacht Club suites. And it doesn't stop at the suites. Magnifica will also receive a brand new 270-square-meter MSC Aurea spa and a high-tech Technogym fitness center as part of the upgrade. When will guests first see the changes? MSC Magnifica will return in summer 2026, sailing Northern Europe itineraries from Germany, with ports of call across the Baltic and Scandinavia, and bookings are already open. So there you have it, 2 big moves from MSC Cruises. A powerful expansion with 2 new world-class ships coming in 2029 and 2030, and a bold upgrade for MSC Magnifica, bringing luxury features like the Yacht Club to a classic ship starting in 2026. What do you think? Would you try one of the new world-class ships, or are you more curious about the upgraded Magnifica? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next cruise news. Thanks for watching, and see you on board.